Hi, good morning. We're here in front of the Petronas Twin Towers on a very hot sunny morning in Kuala Lumpur. Ideal Systems are here for the Asia Broadcast Union Digital Symposium 2014. On our booth, we're launching and demonstrating the new Softcast 4K functionality. So we got full 4K playout out of a channel in a box running on Windows on a Dell, so very cost effective. And one of the first sites in the market with 4K playout capabilities, and we're pretty excited about this. A great demonstration and the ultimate output we've got onto the brand new Toshiba 84-inch Ultra 4K HD TV. Also on the booth, we've got the 3Es. The Elemental Technologies is a OTT, multi-streaming, multi-platform going out to iOS and Android. Emotion Systems is a fantastic file-based QC for audio and covering from audio loudness to Dolby and to language track remapping on file-based workflow. That Emotion System is also available if you go to our idealdirect.com website. You can actually go and get a evaluation copy for free and try it. Very strong, very powerful. In use a lot at the moment in the UK and also in NHK in Japan, and we're bringing it to Southeast Asia via Ideal Systems. And the last one, of course, is Evertz. We've got everything from routers, glue, infrastructure, multi-viewers, and on the booth we're showing their Mediator, media asset management system and playout. We're showing their VistaLink Pro for their network monitoring, and we're showing their View, the visually unified experience. So we got a lot on a small booth. We're looking forward to a good show. If you don't get a chance to get to the show, you can contact us here and at idealsys.com, drop us a line, and we're happy to come and have a chat with you. Also, if you want to take a closer look at Softcast, just here, I hope, is softcasttechnology.com is the website. It contains all the information on the Softcast, from the newsroom to the MAM to the traffic to the automation, the playout, live channel censorship as well. So there's a lot in Softcast. We have a lot on the booth. Hope we'll see you at the ABU. Thank you.
Hi, this is Xingyi, Product Manager for Softcast. Today at the IBU, we are bringing you the Softcast ecosystems, which is the first downloadable software in the world that is available in the Ideal Direct website. Softcast includes the traditional baseband ingest, file ingest into the NAS, which is managed by the Softcast MEM. Softcast MEM includes the quality checks, transcoder, and it generates proxies. At the same time, MEM manages the LTO tape libraries. On top of the MEM is the scheduling and traffic systems. And down here is the newsrooms and the live productions, which integrate with the MOS gateway. Apart from this, we have the Softcast channel in a box automations. It actually integrates with the traditional playout with the control of the device manager. From the traditional playouts, we are able to do downstream graphics and streaming, also the off-air logging. Down here we have the Softcast censorship, and also we are able to do live edit. We are doing the VOD and OTT live streamings. What we are showing here is the Softcast channel in a box, playing out from a standard Dell PC, which is available locally from Dell. It is a Windows-based OS with Softcast running on top of it. And the output is from the Aja Corner 3G card. And here is the 4 SDI output, providing the 4K signal to a Toshiba Ultra 4K TV. If you would like to have more information on the Softcast, kindly visit the Ideal Systems Softcast website or myself. We are available to provide you the demo, proof of concept, or any further information inquiries. Thanks.
I'm Pat from Elemental. We're at the ABU show today with Ideal Systems. So on the booth, we've got the Elemental Live product, which is currently streaming to an iOS iPad device. So the Elemental Live, which is Elemental's flagship product, comes in a few different form factors. It basically, the tower form factor that you see here today, or it's a half-depth 1 RU unit. And we've got quite a few different ranges in terms of GPU processing power. So the unit that you see here today is a single GPU unit. We can go all the way up to a quad-core unit. So a quad-core unit will be capable of producing 4K video, for example. So we're one of the first people in the world that can do HEVC 4K as well as HEVC video. So H.265, 35 to 50% bandwidth saving, and so on. So these types of newer video formats will basically enable ease of distribution to all sorts of different devices for OTT deployments, as well as an excellent format as far as contribution encoding goes, or basically 4K delivery for cable and satellite operators. The Elemental Lives themselves, the boxes are Linux based, so it comes with a web user interface. So from the web user interface, you can basically configure all sorts of different profiles and presets, encode video for iOS devices, Android devices. We can even do the BlackBerry CIF formats. So also from the web user interface, you'd be able to pick from a drop-down menu to a list of different CDN providers that we've integrated with. So most of the big operators out there, so it's Akamai, Limelight, Broadpeak, Highwinds, so on. In terms of reaching other devices, we also have recently released a product called Elemental Delta. So Elemental Delta, currently it's in 1.0. It is basically a CDN origin point, and it basically serves as an excellent video CDN. So if you don't need a globally distributed CDN, if your market's just Malaysia, for example, it'd be an excellent choice to have a point of presence right here in KL versus having something out in Singapore or Sydney. Serve all sorts of different customers, so all the way from faith-based customers like Hillsong Church down in Australia to telcos like Singtel in Singapore, and cable operators like Foxtel down in Sydney, True Vision in Thailand, and so on. If you're interested in Elemental products, you can reach out to me. So I'm Singapore-based, or our partner Ideal Systems, who've got a good presence in Singapore, Malaysia, and basically around the region.